Hello and welcome. Let's try to solve 24th July 20 Friday Sudoku. Today difficult rating is 5. Let's try to solve. Let's take this line and try to solve. 1. We need 2. 2 it won't come here because of this 2. And because of this 2 it won't come here. So these two boxes neglected. And because of this 2 it won't come here. So remaining one box. So we can mark this 2 here. 3 we cannot determine now. 4 is already presented, 5 we cannot determine, 6 is presented, 7, 8 we cannot determine, 9 is presented. So for this line we need 3, 5, 8. 3, 5, 8 it will come in these 3 parts. Now let's try to find possible ways. Let's take this line and try to solve. Need 2, 3, 6, 7 for this line. So since we have 2 and 7 here, the remaining will be 3 and 6. So 3 and 6 definitely will come here. Let me explain again. We need 2, 3, 6, 7 for this line. So 2 and 7 already presented here. So the remaining 3 and 6 will definitely come here. So 2 and 7 will be placed either here or here. So let's mark separately top of this line 2 and 7 vice versa. So it will come here or here. Let's try another possible solution. Let's take this box. So here we need 5. So 5 it won't come here as well as here because of this 5 and this 5. So definitely the 5 will come in these two boxes. Let's mark it here. Remaining will be different boxes. So let's see another possible solutions. Let's take this line. We need 3, 4, 7 and 8. So 3 and 8 won't come here, and since 7 we presented here and here, so 7 definitely come these two boxes. So let's mark here 7. We need remaining 3, 4, 8. 3 won't come here, it may come here or here. 8 won't come here and here, it may come here or here. And as we already marked here, 2 and 7 will come here and here. So if 7 comes here, it won't come here, it will present here. If 2 comes here, 7 will come here. Let's try to find a solution with available data. Let's calculate here. 3 and 6 definitely will come here, and we need 3, 5, 8 for this line already marked. So since 3 and 6 will come here, 3 won't come here. Repeating again, 3 and 6 will come here already marked here. So 3 won't come here. 3 will come here or here, it won't come here. So 3 won't come here and 3 won't come here. The remaining will be this box. So we can mark 3 here. So I am repeating the solution. 3 and 6 it will come here definitely, as we already discussed. So 3 won't come here, and because of this 3 it won't come here. The remaining will be here. So we have marked 3 here. So now 5 and 8 will be occupied here. So let's mark separately. The 5 and 8 will be here. Now let's try with available resources. Let's calculate for this box. So we need 6. So 6 will come here definitely. So here it won't come. as well as it won't come here. So 6 will be here or here, so we can mark separately 6 here. So now let's take this line and try to solve. Need 1 2 3 7 8. I'm marking here 1 2 3 7 8. So since 8 presented here and here, it definitely will come in the last section, last box. Done. Now let's find possibilities. Let's take this line. We need 2 5 7 and 8 for this line. Repeating 2 5 7 and 8. So since we have 5 here and 5 in this box, 5 definitely will come here, as well as we have 7 here and 7 here, so 7 won't also come here. So 5 and 7 will be here. I am repeating here. We need 2 5 7 8. Another mode, 2 and 8 will be here, so 5 and 7 definitely will come here, so I'm marking here 5 and 7 will be here. So 2 here or here, 8 also here or here. So for this square, if 2 comes, it may come here as we already discussed, or here. Now let's take this box. 5 and 7 as discussed, it will come here, so the remaining will be 3 4 6 9, the 4 boxes. So for this square, 5 and 7 will come here, remaining 3 4 6 9 will come here. So let's take this 9. We have 3 4 9, 3 4 9, so remaining will be 6, so we can directly mark 6 here. I'm repeating, for this box 5 and 7 definitely will come here, we already discussed. So remaining will be 3 4 6 9, 3 4 6 9 will come here. Since we have 3 9 and 4 here, the remaining will be 6, we can mark 6 directly here. So now let's try to find solution with available resources. So we need 1 2 3 7 8 for this row. Since we already discussed 2 and 7 will come here and 2 and 7 clashes here, so definitely 2 and 7 will come here. So for this line, 2 won't come here, and we already discussed 2 will 7 vice versa for this row and this row, and 2 won't come here, so 2 will definitely place here, so we can place 7 here. Now let's take this 7 as reference and these two 7 as reference. 7 won't come here, it won't come here and here, so we can place 7 here. So again coming to this line, let's mark it here. 2 we have finished, so 1 3 7. And 8. So we have 1 here and 8 will definitely place here, we already discussed. So for this line we need 1 3 7 8. So 1 3 7 8, 1 3 7 8 will come for this line. Since we have 1 3 7 here, the remaining will be 8, so we can mark it here. let's strike out this. We already finished this two, so remaining 1 3 7 8 we need for this line. Since 1 3 7 it won't come here, the remaining will be 8, so it will come here. So as we already discussed, for this line we need 5 and 8, so 8 won't come here, so 8 will definitely come here, and we can mark 5. So we completed one line successfully. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. So now let's take this box and try to solve. As we already marked 6, we'll try to solution for this 6. 6 it won't come here, and because of this 6 it won't come here, so we can mark 6 here. Repeating, because of this 6 it won't come here, and because of this 6 it won't come here, so remaining box we can mark 6. So now we need 1 for this line. Since 1 is here, it won't come here and here. Because of this one it won't come here and here, so we can mark 1 directly here. So let's take this 1 as reference, so it won't come here. Because of this one it won't come here, so we can mark here 1. So 1 2 3 already marked here, it will come here or here. 4, the 5 is remaining because 6 7 8 9 available, so 5 we can mark it here. 3 and 6 will be placed here. Now let's take this square and try to solve. We have 1, next is 2. Because of this 2 it won't come here and here, so we can mark 2 here. So the remaining will be 3 and 8 for this square. Because of this 8 it won't come here, so we can mark 8 here and 3 will be here. So let's take this 8 as reference, and this 8 as reference. It won't come here and here, so we can mark 8 here. So now let's take this 2 and this 2 as reference. It won't come here and here, so we can mark 2 here. So we need 4 and 9 for this box. We have 1 2 3 4 will be come here or here. 5 6 7 8 9 will come here or here, so we cannot determine now, but we have determined based on this 9 we can mark 9 here, so 4 will be come here. So let's take this line 1 2 3, we need 4, we can mark 4 here. So now let's take this line. So as we already discussed, we have marked 4, so 3 and 9 will come here, and 5 and 7 will be placed here. So let's take this box and try to solve. As we already discussed, 5 will come these two boxes, so since we have 5 it won't come here. Because of these two 5 it won't come here and here, so we can mark 5 here. Repeating again, because this 5 it won't come here, because of these two 5 it won't come here and here, the remaining will be here. Let's take this line as this line and try to solve. We need 7 and 9. So because of this 9 it won't come here, so we can mark 9 here, and 7 we can mark it here. So remaining will be 3 and 4. So 3 and 4 will be placed here. Let's mark it here 3 and 4. So let's try to solve this line. 1 2, we cannot determine 3 right now, so let's go with 4. 4 also we cannot determine. 5 6 7 8 9. Because of this 9 it won't come here, and because of this 9 it won't come here and here, so we can mark 9 here. So let's have this 9 as reference and try to solve. Because this 9 it won't come here, and because of this 9 it won't come here, the remaining will be 9, so we can mark it here 9. So remaining will be 3 as we already discussed, so we can mark 3 here. Let's take this line again. 1 2, we need 3, we cannot determine 3 at this presence. 4 also we cannot determine, so the remaining will be 3 4 and 6. So we have 6 and 4 here, so the remaining will be 3, we can mark it here 3. So because of this 3 we cannot mark here, so we can mark 3 here, the remaining will be 4 here. So for this line 1 2 3 4 5 6 is pending, so we can mark 6 here. As we already discussed, for this line we need 1 3 7 7 we marked, so we can tick it here. So remaining is 1 and 3. Because of this 3 here we cannot place, so 1 here, the 3 will be placed here. So for this square we need 2, so because of this 2 it won't come here, so we can mark 2 here. So remaining will be 4, we can place it here 4. So for this 3 boxes we need 1 6 and 7. We need 1 6 and 7. Let's try to solve. Now let's take this 8 as reference. It won't come here and here, and because of these two 8s it won't come here and here, and we can finalize this 8. So now let's take this box. We need 3 we cannot determine, 4 also we cannot determine now, 5 is presented, 6 we cannot determine, and 9 we can determine. Because of this 9 it won't come here and here, so this 9 it won't come here, so remaining will be here. So let's try to solve again. 1 2 3 we cannot determine, 4 we cannot determine, 5 6, because this 6 it won't come here and here, so we can mark 6 here. So now we already discussed 3 and 6 will come here, so because of this 6 we cannot place here, so we can place 6 here, 3 here. Let's take this line. We need 1, we cannot place here, we cannot place here, so we can place it here. 2 3 4, 4 it won't come here because of this 4, so we can place 4 here. 5 6 7 7, the remaining only one box we can place it here. So 1 2 3 4 won't come here, so we can place it here 4 5 6 7 8 9. So for this square 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So let's try to solve this box. We need 1, it won't come here and here, so we can place it here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 won't come here, so we can place 6 here. 7 will be the remaining, so we can place it here. So for this square 1 2 3 4 5, because of this 5 it won't come here, so we can place it here. 5 6 7 will be the remaining, so we can place 7. So this is the solution for today's puzzle. If you like the solution, please like and subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching. All the best.